Maddie Ziegler looked absolutely stunning at the LA premiere of West Side Story when she wore a halterneck blue sequin gown. Maddie Ziegler, 19, looked all grown up when she attended the premiere of West Side Story at the Capitan Theatre in Los Angeles on December 7. For the occasion, Maddie opted to wear a gorgeous blue, sheer halterneck sequin gown that hugged her petite frame perfectly. The slinky dress had a straight silhouette and a low-cut back that showed off some skin. Maddie styled her high-neck dress with a pair of small diamond earrings, a bunch of rings, and gorgeous glam. Her dark brown hair was parted in the middle and down in a loose blowout. She added a metallic brown smoky eye and a nude lip to complete her look. Also in attendance at the premiere were the stars of the film, Zegler and Ansel Elgort. Rachel looked breathtaking in her strapless nude gown that featured a low-cut sweetheart neckline and corset bodice. The entire top of her dress was covered in crystals and sequins while a velvet bow belt cinched in her tiny waist. Related gallery. Maddie Ziegler, pics of the dancer. The bottom half of her gown featured a completely sheer ball gown skirt that was covered in white floral applique and intricate beading. She topped her look off with just a pair of simple, classic earrings, letting the dress speak for itself. Meanwhile, Ansel looked as handsome as ever when he wore a fitted black suit with a doubly breasted blazer. Underneath his jacket he wore a white button-down shirt and a black bow tie around his neck, completing his look with black patent leather dress shoes.